everyone, in one of my recent videos I made these really cute coasters. You can check out the video description below for a link to that video. What I'm going to do today is actually sew them together, so two of them together to make a really nice cute pouch. So all you need to do for this is make your two coasters, same exact size, use a crochet needle with the same exact yarn, and then we'll sew these together. The way I like to do it is start from the ear over here, and I made a pretty long piece of yarn. And then sew the stitches together. Make sure you're sewing along the same stitch. You can also do this by using a crochet hook and just crochet all the way around. So this is what it looks like from the side, and this is what it looks like from the front when you do it with the crochet needle. I'll keep going and then I'll show you the result at the end. I'll speed up this part because it repeats. So here we are at the end. I have not hidden yet these tails, but I will do so shortly. But this is our pouch. We could even make a chain and use that as two different handles. Here's just a chain stitch. We could sew that on. There you go. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.